Core system libraries failing because of the Normaliz library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. To begin the walkthrough for Normaliz library, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Normaliz library, the Unicode Normalization library. It provides unmanaged routines for remapping character strings into standard forms, facilitating the linguistic data link for global system manifests. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the system file checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of Normaliz library DLL. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Normaliz library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like Normaliz library DLL. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for Normaliz library. To support our technical team and receive updates on Normaliz library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.